Hi there, this is Alex Fiestas, and in this video I'm going to talk about KDE software and social slash cloud stuff. The thing is that in the last few years we have been bumped with new social slash cloud stuff every day. Every day a new startup is going to come out, and every week or so a new startup is going to fall and is going to close. So the thing is that a few years back only power slash geek users would have a few accounts such as, I don't know, Facebook, Google, etc. The thing is that now normal users that they don't really have technical knowledge, are getting more and more accounts. For instance, my parents, they have a Google account, Facebook account, a Skype account, and Microsoft Live, Messenger, whatever account. That's 4 accounts they have, and this can get even bigger. I myself, I must have like 7 or 8. I have Flickr and a few more stuff than my parents do. So the thing is that to configure all this in every application, in each application key, is quite a long task to do. So what we have done is we have created something called web accounts, which is this thing you are seeing here. It is a KCM module within system settings right now, and what it allows is to configure accounts easily and just by following a wizard. Let's take a look. I'm going to configure a web account, Google account first. So I put user and password. Next. Next I select all the services I want to activate, in this case all of them. Click on finish, and yeah. So now all services, calendar, chat, contact, email, whatever, are configured. For instance, what I can do is I can open the telepathy contact list, and yeah, I don't think I have any contact because, well, this is my test account, right? So yeah, never mind. The thing is that it is configured. You can see it here, for example, here. It is configured and it is working. We can do pretty much the same thing with Facebook. So I'm going to configure my testing account in Facebook as well. Yeah, here we have to do an authentication with Facebook. Well, next. And in the Facebook case, we can configure contacts, events, and chat. Something that shortly we are going to add here is microblogging, but that's something we can talk in another video. We click on finish, and same thing goes. Maybe I have some contact here. No. Yeah, well, this is my test account, so all I check is that stuff like the account is added. That's all I'm checking. So yeah, what it's doing now, web accounts, is basically web accounts. It's configuring the accounts in the other softwares, like creating an account in telepathy, creating an account in Akonadi, creating whatever needs to be added. We have support for we have support for uncloud 2 and runner's ID, which is something from the Netrunner distribution. In the future, the idea is that all these softwares, telepathy, Akonadi, whatever, Chocok, for instance, will contact web accounts for accounts. So basically, if you modify something in Chocok, the change is going to be propagated kind of to web accounts. And yeah, and more stuff is in the roadmap. Like, we would love to have something like backup, because, well, it's pretty sure that Gmail is not going to close, at least in the next following years. But we have seen popular web services to close down. So we think that it would be awesome to just click on a button here, export, and get all the data. In the case of Google, we can even get all the calendar, contacts, email, and tasks. That will be pretty easy to do. Anyway, I hope you like it, and looking forward to your comments. Bye bye.